So if you're confused about what time the London session and the New York session opens up in your time, I'm going to show you how to do it in your trading view. So if I jump to trading view right here, I have two symbols that I'm trading. It doesn't really matter. Okay, the one, I'm just going to move myself right here so you can see what I'm talking about. First things first, the time zone that you're using need to be correct based on your time. So you know when you should be trading. So I trade on UTC plus 2. The thing you do it because in my time zone, London session opens up at 9 o'clock. London session opens up at 9 o'clock and I mark out the pre-London session at 8 o'clock, right? Let me jump to the 15-minute. And the New York session opens up in my time zone at 3:30, which means 2:30, 1 hour before, is the pre-market London session. Right. So after you do that, you jump to UTC plus 2, you press UTC plus 2 right here, Copenhagen, Johannesburg, it doesn't matter. After you do that, you mark out 8 o'clock and you mark out 9 o'clock, you mark out 2:30 and you mark out 3:30. After doing that with these lines, you can just press on the lines right here, a vertical line, Alt V. You can just press Alt V as I did it with my keyboard. This is the shortcuts I'm using. So the thing you should do after that is you change it back to your time zone. If you live in Toronto, if you live in Los Angeles. So if I live in Los Angeles, I switch it back, and now the time zones have changed based on where you live. So you should know that in Los Angeles, the London session opens up at midnight, and pre-market London session opens up at 11 o'clock. And what time does the London session open, New York session open in Los Angeles? At 5:30 pre-market and at 6:30 market open New York time. New York session open at 6:30. That's how you can figure it out because there is a lot of websites and it just gets confusing. That's the easiest way you can do it. So if you're confused with the time zones and what time the market opens up at your time zone and what's best suited for you, this is how you do it. Good luck.